Okay, now the nice thing is that this exercise is actually so short and it's pretty simple. So I'm just going to get you started with it and show you the first part, and then you'll be able to continue on and finish it on your own. It's very simple. So first step is you just open up a blank publication. It doesn't need to be any specific size. And then for step number 3, you need to insert 4 different kinds of design gallery objects, or in other words, page parts objects from the building blocks section. And you need to try to choose types that were not represented in the exercise and customize each one and arrange them any way you like on the page. So I mean, this is very simple. Now I don't want you to use ones that we've already used, so I shouldn't see anything from your recently used come up. But I would choose ones that we didn't try using. So maybe stories, you could do that. So I'm going to make it a little bit bigger since I'm going to have 4. And then put some different text in. So I'll put it to auto fit so you can actually see it, which is nice. Alright, so story, let's do, so I'll say basic, and may think of a white girl with a pumpkin spice latte. So I'm giving a throwback to Scott's PowerPoint presentation. So, and I'm going to add that story in, and then, I mean, add something else in. It's really simple, but I want you to choose stuff that maybe we didn't use. So I'm going to choose one of the advertisement ones, customize it, 0% off. I'm going to go and put down, for the fun of it, 1,000% off. And then I'm going to change the color of it because black is boring. At least with this. There we go, bright blue. And we'll give it a black outline, sure, why not. And then you can just keep adding things in. But what you need to do is have 4 objects. And then remember that you do need to add them to the content library. Okay? So make sure you do add them to the content library so that way anybody else who uses the computer can see your marvelous and wonderful work in years to come. So do add it to the library, and then of course you need to save your presentation or publication, I don't know why it's saying presentation, as 14design _ and then your initials. So this is really easy. I'm not going to do anything else in it here with you, but other than get you started with it. So make sure you finish both parts of this exercise and then submit it on a flash drive to me. So you're going to end up having here submitting 3 publication files, 14flyer _ your initials, and then 14flyer2 _ your initials, and then also the third publication, 14design _ your initials. So 3 publications and then 1 PDF print of the publication 14flyer _ your initials. Flyer number 2, don't worry about a print, but flyer 14flyer _ your initials, you do need a PDF print of it. So make sure you bring that, because otherwise you will lose points from the exercise if it's not completed. If you see online your grade is lower even though you completed on time, that means you were missing something, whether you didn't complete the exercise correctly or you didn't submit all the files. So make sure you submit all the files, otherwise they'll take away points.